Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for choosing to click this video. Thank you so much for your sweet comments, and thank you so much for sharing. Some of you are sharing my videos, you're liking the videos, and we're growing the channel. Thank you so much for the new members and the new subscribers. That means that this channel is growing. Guys, today is another video, it's another content, and I wanted to show you now, as Moto Lifestyle, I have to show you everything, what people do here in a daily living. Being an immigrant who lives here in the US, a US citizen now, I need to share you for the longest, guys, in case there's somebody out there who wants to come to the US or who wants to watch and see what people do here in the US. That's why I'm here. That's what this channel is for, so I can show you actually what people do here in the US, from eating and working, anything really lifestyle in the US. This is why we have this channel. So today is another video. I am going to wash my clothes. Yes, not really clothes, but I'm going to wash my heavy blankets and curtains and sheets. Here in the US, you can wash clothes in your house at the same time. That means you can own a machine, or at the same time you can go to a public place where people have these private laundromats or laundry machines, big huge machines that you can go there and wash your clothes, which I'm doing today because I have huge curtains, I have huge blankets. I cannot wash them in my house because my house machine is smaller. It cannot take all that. That's why I'm going today to wash them in a laundromat. And hey, I thought, why not you guys come along with me so you can see how actually we wash heavy blankets here, how people use these laundromats to wash their clothes. Hey, it's a good idea. So come with me guys, and let's go wash these clothes and heavy blankets. Before you do that, make sure you subscribe, and let's go guys. Oh well guys, this is just a typical Sunday. People are relaxed, they're empty roads, people are home, so that's why you don't see a lot of cars here. So we have several machines, laundromat machines everywhere, but I'm trying to find one that I like, I love. So let's go find this one. If we can't find, then we can go check another one. So come along with me guys. Guys, look at that tree. I love that tree, the flowering tree over there. Don't you love it? I don't know guys, comment below if you know what kind of tree is that. I need to zoom in so y'all can see. Look at that, look at that. Yeah. So guys, I'm just showing you random stuff. This is a random video, Moto Lifestyle here in the US. Let's go find the laundromat so we can wash our clothes. Guys, these are more apartments on this side right here. Yes, I love this street. So many trees, makes the city look beautiful. What do you think guys? Comment below. Let's go wash our clothes. Oh well guys, we need to go check this one. It's called Cozy Wash and Laundry. In Spanish we say lavanderia. So it's open. I'm gonna show you how actually it looks like. Look at it. So we're gonna go in here. Oh, the machines, this is how they look like. They have smaller ones actually. These are for clothes, and these bigger ones you can put huge machines. See, these are small ones over here. These are for clothes, and this one are for huge blankets, which I have today. So we're gonna put here. And actually guys, if you wanna buy soap, you don't have soap, they sell soap here, detergents, everything, they sell it here. So as you can tell, some clothes are washing, so they have a TV in here so you can listen. So let's wash clothes. So this is how you open it. It's like that. You open it, you stock your clothes in there, whatever blankets, And then when you finish, you lock it. You see, lock and open, lock this way and open this way. So start, heavy soiled, extra rinse. See, this is where you put coins, right here. And please make sure that your clothing does not carry foreign objects. See, they give you instructions on how you do this. Okay guys, let's do this. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm washing my curtains. They are really long curtains, long curtains, so I'm gonna put them in there. I wish, yeah, like that. So I'm putting on my long curtains. Wow. So all my curtains are here, all my heavy blankets are here. So I need to put soap and then put some coins, but I need some coins. So let me take you to a coin machine, or where you can have coins. You put $1 or $10 or something, and then you get coins. It's only coins in here, guys. $quarter coins only. You don't put a dollar bill here, you put coins. So let's go get some coins. Oh, if you have a dollar bill, this is where you come and change into coins. So this is a changing coin machine. Very nice. Oh well guys, now this is where you put soap. You see I have my soap here. This is where you pour soap and you pour detergent. There are two openings. One opening is for soap and another opening is for detergent. Oh Lord. So we put soap here. Put in the soap, you go ahead and close it, and then close this one here and lock it. So I locked it. You lock, you open. So right there. So guys, as you can tell, the blankets are washing, and we put cold. You said here you put cold. You do is right now it's pre-washing, and it says 33 minutes remaining. You can wash heavy clothes and soil and extra rinse. You can choose how many cycles you want your thing to go. The good thing with these machines is like they have instructions how to do. Oh well guys, while my blankets and are washing, let me show you around what's going on here in the building. So we're gonna go all the way back. We see what's going on. You can see there's a lot of machines here. Some of them are, when they're out of service, they say out of service. Fuera de servicio. That's in Spanish. Yes, and this is where the people sit and chill. And here, there's so many of them, so many of the machines. So, yeah. So over here, it's a eating area. So you can say very nice eating area. Comfortable area. You can sit here, eat here. The kids can play there, so you can see kids playing. There's children playing here. This is for children machine. So you can tell, you cannot get bored here even if you have kids. These are machines here, so kids likes to play this. Super Mario Bros. They like to play this machine. So it's a nice, good area. They have a sink here with water. More cats here. They have TVs everywhere. And then when you come here, you fold your clothes over here. This is what they say here. No se pantia centra. I'm reading guys Spanish. Centres en las mesas. No sitting on the table. So the table is called mesas in Spanish. And to say thank you, and thank you in Spanish is called gracias. So I hope you guys you're learning Spanish from Umoto Lifestyle. I love it. So yes, so this is a huge area. There's so many people over there washing. Huge area, huge dry area. Let me take dry area. When you finish washing from there, you come here and dry your clothes here. They say you are not responsible for your clothes with your supervision. No somos responsable for supervision. That means like you may bring some clothes here. Some of them they get wrinkles or they get shrink or whatever, they get damaged. They're not responsible for that. So this is why they warn you before you dry your clothes. You have to know what kind of clothes you have. Are they wrinkly? So yes. Very nice. So this is how it looks like. Nice area. They have free Wi-Fi here, so free Wi-Fi. And right there, you exchange coins there. You have a dollar bill, you exchange 2 coins right there. And if you don't have soap, you forgot your soap, you want to buy your soap, you come over here and then you buy soap here because they have it here. And of course over there they have cameras. They want to monitor everybody. They don't want crimes here. Make sure you're doing the right thing. So this is how it is. Welcome to the Laundromat lifestyle, Umoto lifestyle in the US. Let's sit down and wait for our clothes to dry, or rather my blankets. Yeah, now it's done. We need to open the door, put my curtains in here so that we can go dry them actually. So all my curtains are going in this cut right here. Okay guys, this was a lot of curtains. They're long curtains. Now let's go put them in the drying machine. Let's go find drying machine. So find the machine, drying machine here. Let's see. So my curtains are drying. The good thing guys, what I saw is that when you're drying this, you don't pay. They pay for you because you pay for the wash, but the machine people here, they pay for you to dry. So what you do, she came in here, she put some coins in here for you for 20 minutes and high. And now my curtains are drying for free. This is a good thing. So I have this one and I have this one that I'm gonna put more. Oh well guys, as you can tell, I'm sweating. I'm done with my laundry. It took about an hour actually to wash and fold. You know, it was a good process. But what I liked about it is that when you wash your heavy whatever clothes you have, you pay yourself and it's not a whole lot. But when you dry, the people, the laundromat people, they pay for you. So I didn't know that. It's been a while since I washed my clothes here or my blankets here, but it was a good experience. I loved it guys. So whenever you move here, you don't think that you can own your own machine. If you don't have, we have public machines that are owned by private people. You can just pay coins and wash your clothes. Hey, I just wanted to show you experience. Like America is a good country. So whenever you want to come here, just make sure you enjoy life. So Umoto Lifestyle is here to kind of show you around what's going on. So I'm done, I'm going home, I'm sweating, I'm hungry, I need to go eat guys. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Share the video with your family members, your friends, okay? And guys, if you have not become a member, consider becoming a member, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Even